Hello, welcome to the English Easy Practice course Conversations Practices. Now, you will listen to some daily English conversations in different places and situations. Thus, you will learn vocabulary and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Let's get started.
Hi there.
Hello.
Do you know where the fiction section is?
I believe it is located near the back of the store.
Ah, okay. Thanks.
No problem. Is there a specific book that you were looking for?
Yes, actually, I'm looking for something thrilling and exciting. These days, I am really interested in mystery fiction.
Well, there is a special sale this weekend. All books in the mystery fiction section are half price.
Really? It must be my lucky day. Can you recommend any good mystery authors?
I haven't read too much mystery fiction, but perhaps you can try out the Sherlock Holmes series.
I have read them before and I did not find them too interesting. I think I would prefer to read a book by an author who is a woman.
Well, I've also heard that Agatha Christie's novels are very popular. She has written more than 50 mystery novels.
I have actually never read any of her novels. Can you tell me which of her novels you have in stock today?
Oh, I'm sorry, I actually don't work here.
Oh my, you don't?
No, ma'am, I'm just a man who loves bookstores.
Hello, are you enjoying the story? Please give us a like. Thank you.
Hello, how are you today?
Hi there. I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing great. How can I help you today?
I want to deposit a check.
Sure thing. First, can I have your bank card?
Of course.
Great. Now please enter your PIN, personal identification number, into the card reader.
Okay.
Your PIN was accepted. May I have the check that you want to deposit?
Here you go.
Thanks, I will enter in the information. Please hold on for a moment while I process your check. Okay, your check has been deposited. Is there anything else that you need today?
Yes, actually. I also want to find out what my account balance is.
No problem. I will print out your account balance on a receipt. Okay, here you are.
Thank you so much. That will be all for today.
Okay, have a great day.
You too.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. Do you have our shopping list pen?
Yes, I do.
All right, let's go to the produce section first. Do we need to buy any vegetables?
Yes, we need to buy 5 different vegetables. We need to buy carrots, onions, broccoli, cabbage, and mushrooms.
Okay, let's grab the vegetables we need.
Dad, the carrots are on sale. 5 carrots are usually $2, but today we can buy 10 carrots for $3. Should we buy 10 carrots instead of 5?
No, we shouldn't buy too much. We only need 5 carrots.
Okay, Dad.
Do we need any fruits?
Yes, we need bananas and apples.
What about oranges?
No, we still have 4 oranges at home.
Wow, you have a great memory, Ben. Let's grab a bunch of bananas and 1 bag of apples. What's next on the list?
We need eggs and cheese.
Can you grab 1 carton of eggs from the shelf?
Yes, I can.
Be careful, Ben. The eggs are very fragile.
Yes, Dad. I know.
Great job. Now, what kind of cheese should we buy today?
What is your favorite type of cheese?
I really like mozzarella.
My favorite type is cheddar.
Then let's get marble cheese. It's a mix of cheddar and mozzarella.
Good idea. Now we just have one more item on the list.
We do? What is it?
It's a chocolate bar.
A chocolate bar. I don't remember adding that to the shopping list.
No, that's because I added it. It's my reward for helping you with the groceries today.
Well, I can't argue with that. You've been a great help, so you deserve it. Hello there. Can I help you with anything?
Hello, I am looking for a new book to read.
You're in the right place. What kind of book are you looking for?
I am looking for a book with a lot of action.
Oh, then I think you should look for something in the adventure section.
Can you show me where the adventure section is?
Of course, just follow me. Here we are. You can choose any of these books to borrow.
Do you have any recommendations?
What about this book? This book is about pirates and buried treasure.
Oh, I already read this book last month.
Did you enjoy it?
It was exciting, but it was very long. I prefer short books.
Then let's try to find a shorter book. What about this one?
Oh, it looks very interesting. Have you read this book?
Yes, I read it last year. It's a very exciting book with a lot of action. The main character is a wizard, and he is really funny.
That sounds great. I will take this one.
Is there anything else that you need?
No, I just need this book.
Okay, I can check it out for you now. Let's go to the front desk. Do you have a library card?
Yes, I do. Here you go.
Thanks, I will check this book out for you now. Okay, here is your book. The return date is in 3 weeks.
Thank you so much for your help. I am really excited to read my new book.
I hope you enjoy it. I will see you again in 3 weeks.
You can practice English whenever and wherever you want. Just listen to our short stories and answer the easy question out loud. You will improve your listening and speaking skills fast.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hey, my girlfriend and I are trying to decide which movie to watch tonight.
Well, our theater is currently showing 7 different movies. What kind of genres are you interested in?
He really wants to see a comedy, but I don't like funny movies. I prefer romance and action.
I like action, but I hate romance movies. They're very boring.
What about an animated movie?
Maybe. Can you tell us more about it?
Well, the animated movie is about animals that can dance and sing.
Isn't that a movie for kids?
Yes, it is.
We aren't interested in movies for kids. We want to watch something more mature.
What about a horror movie?
Maybe. What is the horror movie about?
It's about zombies.
Is there a lot of action?
Yes, it's a very exciting and thrilling film. There's a lot of action, but I should warn you, there is also a little bit of romance in the movie.
Really? Romance in a zombie movie?
Yes, in fact, the romance is between a man and a zombie.
That sounds hilarious. We'll take 2 tickets, please.